of this video, you'll be able to play High and Dry by Radiohead. Chord shape is as follows. Ring finger on the D string, our little finger on the G, and our first finger on 4th fret on the high E, and we've got an open string. First chord is, I'm going to slide that down 2 frets, and then we'll go back up 2 frets again, and down, and this is an A sus2 chord. These fingers don't leave those strings. And then we've got an E major chord. So for that, ring finger stays on the D string, and you just lift your little finger, stick your first finger down, stick your middle finger down and play your E. And if you're feeling fancy, do an E sus4, put your little finger down. So that's your intro, and then the verses are just the one where your first finger's on the 2nd fret, so you go. 2 jumps in a week, I bet you. A sus2. Think that's pretty clever, don't you? E. Boy. And your chorus is the same. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. But strummed. There you go, easy peasy, away you go.